So this is the lab 3. So yung program nito is basically a simple registration system. Parang mag-a-ask yung user ng personal information, then i-check ng program is kung yung password ay strong pa or not. Parang gumagawa ka ng account sa isang website. Yung full name dito, mag-enter ka ng full name, hihingi ng full name ng user. Then yung username, hihingi naman yung username ng user. Then itong while true naman, yung while true, infinite loop lang siya until maging valid yung answer. Yung user underscore type is equals to input. Magta-type yung user kung user ba siya or admin siya. Then yung break, mag-stop ng loop. Then else, if not valid, mag-show siya ng error. Then next naman yung while true, yung sa may password validation, mag-a-ask ng user. Next naman is yung while true ng password validation. Mag-a-ask ng user para mag-enter ng password, then i-retype niya ito ulit. Then yung special underscore character, listahan ng mga special characters na dapat meron yung isang password. Then if password is not equal, re underscore password. Then, magpiprint siya na yung password not match kapag hindi magkaparehong password at retype, error at ulit ang input. Then, yung validation number 2 naman, yung if length ng password is less than to 8, magpiprint siya ng password must at least 8 character. Then, next naman, validation must have lowercase letter. Mag-check siya parang ng small letter. Kailangan may isang maliit na letter sa isang password. Validation number 5 is meron dapat yung password na number. Then next naman is must have a special character. Password must be at least one special character. Then break, then print kung tama yung validation na yon, yung kung tama yung mga condition, magiging ma-approve yung password na nilagay mo. Then break ulit yung full name, username, type of user, then pinapakita dito yung full name, username, at user type. Then ito yung output.